Welcome to Love Septic. We are a little company with a lot of heart. We love septic because it's an essential service industry that allows us to help people and the environment. Currently, we provide septic inspections and septic system installations in King County, Washington. One day we will be adding septic pumping to make a one-call does-it-all certified septic company. When that day comes, we will make a video on septic pumping. In the meantime, the in-between time, we will be making subject-related content based on the area we service. On that note, sorry for the half-rank amateur video production quality. I would love to sell you on one day our content will be solid gold, and how you should smash the like, pound the subscribe, and leave an amazing comment down below, because you are an amazing individual. However, we are not a great must-see video production company and most likely never will be. Our goal is to provide great septic service and make content for this channel that hopefully provides useful information to our customers. Thank you for watching and have a great day.